Hey guys, Honestly Erica. In this video, I'm going to show you how I got this super easy, super cute curly fro using the Curly Tempo Twisted Tea Lock and Braid Butter. Curly Tempo is a new natural hair company specializing in kinky, curly, and coily hair. I'm testing out their green tea twist, lock, and braid butter. This butter has a really thick, soft consistency that when you warm it up in between your fingers, it just melts down and then soaks into your hair strands. This product smells really good. It kind of has like a green tea minty scent. This product contains a lot of really great ingredients, including shea butter, sweet almond oil, organic coconut oil, aloe butter, jojoba oil, green tea butter, just a lot of really delicious oils and butters. I'm starting off with dry stretched hair that I washed the other day and just put into some braids so it can have some stretch and elongation. So I'm just going to section my hair into medium-sized sections. Spray with a little bit of water. Apply the twisted tea butter and a tiny bit of gel for hold. Then I'm just going to cornrow that section of hair. And apply a perm rod to the end, rolling it all the way up the braid. I'm going to repeat those steps throughout my entire head. Take another medium section of hair, spray it with some water. Apply the butter and a little bit of gel. Cornrow and braid all the way to the end. Then apply a perm rod. I'm going to repeat those steps throughout my entire head. I'm going to braid the braids in the back going towards the back and the braids in the front and the sides going towards my face. Let me tell you something. It is difficult to braid upside down towards my face. I really need to learn how to flat twist. So I'm all done braiding. I'm just going to let this dry and I'll come back with the final product. So my hair is all dry. Ooh, look at that curl, girl. So I'm just going to remove all the perm rods and then gently, and I mean gently, remove all the braids. When I do a braid out with cornrows, it is very easy for it to become a big frizzy mess, so you have to be very, very gentle when removing the braids. I also use a little bit of oil on my fingers just to help it kind of prevent frizz. So here's my super soft, moisturized, curly fro. I don't really need to do a lot of separating with this fro because as I unbraid the cornrows, it kind of separates itself. Plus, I don't want to cause any more frizz. You could definitely pick your roots if you want something bigger and more voluminous. Thank you so much to Curly Temple for sponsoring this video and sending me over their green tea, twist, lock, and braid butter. If you're interested in this product, the link to their website will be in the description box below. Go ahead and like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And follow me on Instagram because that's where I'm most active at HonestlyErica. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!